And the first entrepreneur of Innovation Day 2022 is Javier Lavernia from Spain, who decided to challenge the status quo of the automobile market and who also wants to revolutionize the world with an innovative vehicles powered by a hybrid of electricity and hydrogen. It is called the Virante. I'm pleased to welcome founder and CEO Javier. Hi, Javier. You're from Spain.
Yes, hello, Marianne. Yes, I'm the CEO and founder of Tecnovelero.
So, can you just pitch us a little bit about the Virante, which is the vehicle you're developing?
About the Virante. Well, the Virante is designed, produced, and assembled for city environment. It's a sustainable car, and we are in the niche of microcars, ultralight microcars.
So what was the idea from the start? Why do you want to, transform the mobility within the vehicle?
Well, the initial idea was in 2002 when I was working as a product engineer for automotive industry, in this case for Ford Motor Company. I had the idea and I put it in a drawer of my desk. And 16 years later, when the stage of art was ready for electrical vehicles, we take the decision to start with the development.
Can we just enter in details about the Virante? How does it work? I think you mix electric energy with the hydrogen. Is that right?
Well, we have two offers. One, a full electrical car and hydrogen car. Well, there are many differences of the Virante car to the rest of the vehicles of the market. We take a absolutely blank framework to develop, and initially will be in electrical with 300 kilometers of autonomy. The destination of this car is cities. It's a small car for 2 passengers in parallel, and with a lot of autonomy and big polyvalent. And in a second stage, we will develop over this platform the hydrogen for rural world.
I'm sure it's not super easy, to develop such a car, such a modern car. What was the challenges when you started the project?
The first challenge is have the courage to do it, because I was working as engineer for automobile industry in a so comfortable environment, and take this decision is very difficult because you have to plan many things with your family, with your time, and so on. But after taking this decision, the best challenge is trying to take the right decision all the time, because over the plan everything is fantastic, but you have to take a decision every day for many deviations you will find. And this balance between have the right decision, and that is and should be also an economic decision, because we are a startup, could be the more challenging moments day by day.
So I think you're using for that project Solidworks solutions. Can we talk a little bit about that?
Yes, of course, Marianne. I'm a really old user of Solidworks. I started with the first version in 1995. I know very well this software, and was priority for me to take the decision of use this software. The learning curve are incredible. You can produce parts, drawings, and assemblies only doing the tutorials in one day, and it's very versatile and polyvalent. You can check many issues with the e-drawing tool. You can check parts with the PDM, and you can check the engineering levels. That is really, really important in our work with the PDM as well.
And what about the go-to market? Can we just know more about how you want to proceed, to make the Virante maybe the most vehicle used in the world.
Absolutely. This is the key point of the project. We want to be in market in 24th, at the end of 24th, and start up the ramp up of production in 25. We have a minimum quantity of production for 24th, but we want to be in market as soon as possible.
The market is mainly on Europe, right?
We are focused in three, we can say, local markets that are really, really huge. We want to produce in Spain from the south of Europe to the north of Europe and Middle East, and we want to avoid also to go also to the market of US and Asia Pacific. Those are the three locations that we see that will be a big demand.
To conclude, Javier, I want to know more about your creativity, your inspiration. Where does it come from?
Well, I always say that belief is creating, and if you believe in your dreams, you are creating this in your mind. So my inspiration is trying to do things are real. As industrial designer, I love to produce things, and in this case, hardware things that can be used for as much people possible, for customers. And this is more or less the track that I follow.
We thank you so much for that testimony. That's great. We hope good luck to the Virante, that new vehicle for a sustainable world. Thank you so much, Javier. Thank you.